Hello everyone, hope you must be doing good. In continuation with the series of Learn SQL, today we are here at step 4. We'll learn how to create a table. We have already explained about the tables, what are the tables, what are the rows, what are the columns in our previous series. So now moving ahead, we'll learn practically how to do all this kind of stuff in SQL Server. So whenever you will log in into SQL Server, you will come to the screen. Right clicking over the table, you'll get a pop-up which will give you new table option. On clicking of this, you'll be able to get this. Just carefully look over the screen. This is what how you'll get the option, and this is what you'll get the screen. It will ask you for different column names, different data types, and does it contains null or not. Here is a checkbox. So I'm going to create over here a department table with department ID, name, and is active. Means department is active or not. So allow null tells you that this column can contain null value or blank value. Here are a few data types which are given by SQL Server. Here you can put different kind of data like integer, decimal, text, XML, varchar. We can explain all this stuff in later stages. But right now you can pick these kind of things. With this, we have also explained about the primary key. What is the primary key? It gives the uniqueness. I'm going to set this column a primary key column. Whenever you right click over the column name, you'll get this kind of option which having different kind of things. By clicking over the set primary key option, you'll get a key displayed over this. What does it say? It says that it will not contain any null values. If you can see over the checkbox, it is unchecked now. I can increment its value to 1 by keeping its identity specification to yes. This is the property which I can update to yes. It will auto increment the value of the column to 1 given by the seed, and identity seed is 1. That means it will be auto increment by given value starting from the value. So my table has been created in this table. This is what how I can retrieve the data. Select statement. Select statement gives select star from table name. Select star gives the full columns of the specific table. So I have over here 3 columns: department ID, name, and is active. It will give you all the 3 columns. I can specify a number of column 1, 2, or all. This is the simplest table. While working on practical projects, live projects, you'd be get an opportunity to work over table which could have different, means it could have more than 50 columns. So at every time it is not approachable to go with the star statement, then we can pick a number of or the required number of columns into select statement. Now you can notice over here the green highlighted part. What is this? This is the comments. Comments could be single line or multi-line. Comments are not executable by compiler. Compiler ignore this stuff. This is kind of informatory messages or any kind of messages. If you want to keep it, you can keep over here. Like you want to keep who has created this statement, by if when you will work over the stored procedures or views or some complicated functions, then you can put these comments and it will retain with the stored procedure function or views, whatever you are creating at that time. You can keep what the modification you have done, who all have worked over it, and everything related stuff with this. So this is what the select statement is. And now we are going to create alias of the statement. Alias means we can rename these column to some other name. Here we can see multi-line comments, as there are three different kind of comments, different lines over here, but we can make these three different line without this hyphen sign. So this is the syntax of multi-line: backslash star, then star backslash. When you will work over the select statement, SQL gives you auto intelligent help. This is called auto intelligence. Means you need not to type each and every column. It will give you in pull down or drop down. See, I have given the names with the star also. This is what I am creating an alias. Alias is, it will be renamed with the column name which is given here. Now just see the result. Department ID is renamed to ID, department name is renamed to DName. This is what the phenomena of alias is. Whenever you don't want to display all the context as it is, you can rename this column because of security reasons, because of any requirement that you don't want to open everything to the user or to the client. Then you can rename these to user understandable language. After creating all this stuff using wizard, now we can create all this stuff using commands. How? This is the left side, create table, blue part is mandatory, then table name, then after column name, data types, n number of column as per your requirement, and then data type. As we have created TBL department, so here will be create table, TBL department, department ID, name, its data type. It will create the same table. Thank you. Keep learning, keep moving forward. If you are liking our channel, then please subscribe it, press the bell icon, like, share, and comment. Keep learning. Bye bye.